Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you know what matters most in your life? Not your money, not your background, not even your talent, your confidence. Because listen carefully, a confident person with average skills will always move ahead of a talented person with no confidence. Today, you will not only improve your English, you will also build something much more powerful, your self confidence. Many people want to speak English fluently, but they feel shy or afraid of making mistakes. If you are one of them, don't worry. This lesson is made just for you. Take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy. Let's begin. Self confidence is one of the most important qualities in a person's life. It means believing in yourself and trusting your abilities. A confident person is not someone who never makes mistakes, but someone who is not afraid of making mistakes and keeps trying again and again. Self confidence plays a very important role in success, especially in learning English and improving communication skills. Many students face a common problem. They understand English, but they cannot speak it confidently. They feel shy, nervous, and afraid of speaking in front of others. They often think, my English is not good, or people will laugh at me if I make mistakes. Because of these negative thoughts, they avoid speaking English. As a result, their confidence becomes weaker day by day. However, self confidence can be improved with practice and patience. The first and most important step is to change your thinking. Instead of thinking, I cannot do it, you should think, I can try. Positive thinking is the foundation of confidence. When you believe in yourself, you automatically feel stronger and more motivated. The second important step is practice. Practice makes a person better and more confident. A student should practice speaking English every day, even for a few minutes. They can speak in front of a mirror, read aloud from a book, or talk to friends in simple English. At first, mistakes will happen, but mistakes are not a problem. In fact, mistakes are a part of learning. Every mistake teaches something new and helps you improve. Another important factor in building confidence is facing fear. Fear is the biggest barrier to confidence. Many people are afraid of being judged by others. But successful people are those who face their fear and keep moving forward. If a student avoids speaking because of fear, they will never improve. But if they try speaking even when they are afraid, their fear slowly becomes smaller and confidence becomes stronger. Support from others is also helpful. When teachers, friends, or family encourage a student, it becomes easier for them to build confidence. A kind word like good job or you are improving can make a big difference in a person's mindset. Therefore, a positive environment is very important for personal growth. In addition, setting small goals can also improve confidence. For example, a student can set a goal to learn 5 new English words daily or speak one English sentence every day. When these small goals are achieved, the person feels successful. These small successes slowly build strong self confidence. It is also important to remember that confidence does not come in one day. It is a gradual process. Even the most confident speakers in the world were once beginners. They also made mistakes, felt nervous, and struggled, but they did not give up. They continued practicing, and that is why they became confident today. Self confidence is not something we are born with, it is something we develop over time by thinking positively, practicing regularly, facing fear, and learning from mistakes. Anyone can improve their confidence. Especially for English learners, confidence is the key to fluency. If a person believes in themselves and keeps trying, they will surely succeed in speaking English fluently and confidently one day. Confidence is something you build step by step, mistake by mistake, practice by practice. If you are shy, that is okay. If you are afraid, that is normal. But do not stop trying. Speak a little English every day. Look in the mirror and practice. Talk to yourself. Talk to friends. Make mistakes and learn from them because every confident speaker was once a beginner. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.